Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Boeing. Its ticker symbol is BA. BA has a duopoly on the commercial airplane market. They're also in the defense sector, and they have their fingers in a lot of different things. So overall, I like the company a lot. I'm very bullish on it for the future. However, in the short term, it looks like the price is going lower. Okay, they've had a lot of issues with a couple different airplanes. And it just seems like every little thing is coming out of the woodwork right now and biting these guys. So that seems like they have plenty of cash on hand to resolve all the issues. I think the issues can be resolved in a fairly short-term basis. And as long as the airline industry figures out this whole COVID thing, it seems like airplanes are filling up again. There's price competition. And I think it's good going forward. And new planes use less gas, so people want to convert as many of their old fleet as they can into these newer, higher efficient gas machines, gas burners. I guess that's what you want to call them. But anyway, looks like the technical indicator here from the moving average is going down. All right, we got the 200-day moving average, the 20-day moving average. This is a death cross right here. That's bad. Looks like the stock is going down. It was tried to move above that 200-day line, but it just couldn't. It bounced off, got rejected, and it went back down. So that's unfortunate. I did sell a covered call back up here when it was like 230 something. I sold the covered call at 240. Cost basis for this stock right now for me is like 228. So I'm getting a little bit of a haircut. I've sold cash covered puts on it. I've sold cash covered calls on it. I was hoping to get called out of some of the stock. I'm a little overexposed in Boeing right now in my portfolio. That's why I sold a call. I was hoping the stock would rise and it would get called out. It was right around this time I sold it. I was like, ooh, if it breaks through, it's awesome. If not, it's going to get rejected and go lower. I'm just going to make cash, and that's going to reduce my cost basis, so that's good. But I was really hoping it would go higher. So, but it didn't. Okay, so look here. We have the MACD also negative, and we have the stochastic also negative. So, it might be somewhat safe if your cost basis is below 212 to sell a cash covered put. Mine is not, so it would be a bit of a risk for me to sell a put at this point in time, or a covered call at this time. And I would not advise selling a cash covered put because the stock's going lower, and I don't know how much lower it's going to go now. I mean, you can see here there's a floor established around 210, and it's almost at that level. It could go lower. It could go down here, all the way back here. We'd have to find some support around 195, and that 180. Yeah, there's some various support levels in here, but we'll see how things go. All right. Not hopeful for the future in the short term. Long term, this is a $500 stock. It used to be like a $400 stock, 350, 380. I don't remember what the previous high was, but recently it was 278, and it's going back to its previous highs of $400, probably going to $500 in the next 3 to 5 years. Once all this COVID stuff gets over, they figure out all their financial issues and get their planes under control, and they get a bunch of new orders coming in. Although Airbus is taking some of their market share, I think they can regain that, and I think they have a better plane overall. Bottom line, that's why I like Boeing so much. So, all right, guys, that's all I have for today. Looks like bottom line, stock's going lower this week. Do what you need to do. Do your own research. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.